Download free demo of our software and research free businesses from Yellow Pages website. Let me explain how you can easily use it. First, just select your desired country. Where do you need business leads with emails? Then put your category here, for example real estate, and then put your location, for example New York. And then click on search. Then just click on Get Data. You will see below the software will start collecting business contacts with all information including name, phone, website and email. When the process is completed, then just click on Select All and export to the Excel file. Just go to it and download free trial. This is 100% risk-free, and you can get unlimited business contacts from all major countries for lifetime. Subscribe our channel.